Okay, so you've already registered as a user for the Volusion integration and you've reached the main user interface here. Now you need to select a data partner. So I'm just going to kind of walk you through some of these next few steps here on how to use the Volusion integration. So you're not going to be able to connect to the data until you manage the data partner and choose Volusion as your data partner. You got to enter your domain and your email and your encrypted password that you generate inside your Volusion admin account. So let's just go ahead and do that. I'm going to just skip through some of this because some of it is just showing how there's error checking in there if you do it wrong, but if you do it correctly, it'll just say connected to Volusion, and you'll see you can search for orders or batch numbers and easily pull up order numbers to print labels. You have to design a label template, so you go to our label designer here to create a new label design. But you can search on order numbers or batching of orders. You can create new users, so you don't have to stay with the admin account. You can create your own non-admin user under our Manage Users section, so you don't have to be letting them use the admin account. Then if you go to our label designer from the main menu, it'll open up just a typical label design where you can just go to the data sources list here and just drag out data sources onto the label, and these will pull dynamically right from Volusion, and you can just make labels with dynamic fields by just dragging them out. And you can also click on the A in the upper left corner, drag that down to do static data fields and just type onto those. If you highlight any field with the handles, you can use the settings icon on the upper right to set the settings like font size, word wrapping, things like that. So this video continues and shows some preliminary capability to even do reports that involve multiple rows of items on one document. But we can print using the order numbers or the batch numbers, and we'll be adding being able to print by just the items list. So basically you just drag all these varying data sources that can be sourced, from Volusion, and you can just name the label design anything you want. I'm going to just kind of skip forward here a little bit. So you can also make report type labels where you have a header section that doesn't repeat, and down in the details you can have multiple line items on one label that get shown. You just drag those out into the details section. You can make like a label. Essentially, this could be a sheet or a label to print, where you got multiple records just appearing down the page to do different things like packing slips or bills of lading, things like that. So once you got those built, you can go back into the main interface and search. You can do, item labels like this, where each label has an item on it. Or you can do labels where you have multiple items on one sheet or one label, kind of like a summary label or a bill of lading or a customized invoice, things like that. So we're just showing you kind of two major ways to print using one item per label like this, with all kinds of header data on there as well. Or you can do other types of labels that have multiple fields on there. So hope this gives you a good overview on how to proceed once you've connected to the Volusion data source to use Label Connector for Volusion Online Edition. Thanks.